Hi, my name is Rachel, and I'm excited to show you today how to get started using equal time in Zoom. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Apps. Over here, you'll see Discover. You can click on the search icon and type in equal time, and then you'll be able to click on this and click Open. So, it's as simple as that. Then it will load, and you will see the speaking time by participant. So, every participant, you'll see their percentage speaking time here. And you can tag them with their gender, non-binary, female, male. Um, you can also, we would recommend invite all participants in your meeting to install the app. This will allow everyone to self-identify. So anyone who has the app installed can identify their own gender. You can also introduce yourself and say, "Hi, I'm Rachel. I use the pronouns she, her," and invite others in the meeting to do the same. So you'll see the talk time by gender down here, and that'll evolve in real time as your meeting progresses. Um, you can upgrade to save your meetings if you want to see your meeting history and see trends over time. We recommend upgrading. And then you'll be able to access all of your meeting history on your dashboard after you do that. Please reach out to hello@equaltime.io if you have any questions or if you'd like to learn about how you can implement this in your entire company or just within your team. We have analytics available for larger groups. So thank you very much. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye.